Okay, adi na liwat ako. Adi kayo na at the back of the entrance, the north entrance. Medyo mahangin kay it's a fair weather here, fair weather. As you can see, there's a tall buildings over there. See? That is the bridge. There is the water. Water. Look at water. Okay, carry on, carry on. Ato busit restaurant ang mga nagpapadagon erong ang mga presyo. Tuman, makita ka mo man magdida. The price of the meal ranges from $50 to $100. Reach right. Kaya la coffee shop tag $2 with matching drinks ito, Mountain Dew. Yeah. Itong yung body poweran. Ari kita ha, south entrance. Okay, malibot kita. Kikita na aton kung ano pwede ning akuan viewing. Okay, pare patabo ha. Okay, this is the water from the reservoir. See, purified waters. Wala be. Okay, back to normal. Carry on, proceed. Kanina nakato ka leisure park. Pare mga tao. No paper. Mamingaw dito sudut pero ang mga sapatos ito mga barato. 50% to 80% discount. Kikita na ito po abri na nga ni ma-entrance kita. Okay, tag-irop duro nat kawan manai magili-gili nat kawan balhas bayan kita mag-amoy kawan amoy pawis sa sulod lagi daw. It's a shame. We're approaching north entrance, premier entrance, east entrance is missing place. Okay, ari kita east. Sarado, close. Back to barracks. Going back. Patobos mong security guard. Ma-black. Open niya kung take picture kan Kobe Bryant kay papa ang taka mo. Balita joke lang. Once in a lifetime gud lang nga mga kani. Pang isunod pag kaniniya wala nagdin ni. Di area maka picture up. Kaya paupuan Jericho Rosales mawala na tagkamot. Nambalik kita anat ginagiyan area under 24-hour surveillance camera. No food and drinks in sitting areas. Okay, mahangin na liwat sakto lang. Okay. O dani yan, tagpag-uli, nagmarang po na nakmasakay. Okay. This is my first time coming here. And I don't know which way to go. to take the bus from here going to my place. But let's see how it goes later. Okay? Asya ka. Ito ko ato'y ko ang uming. Ato'y uming. Naggigihoy uming. Wala ba daw? Ban, ang kabati ka mo rin kanda. Alright. Ban. Kaga daw. Okay. Mababay na lot ako. Babayo.